If you have an ARM64E device, iPhone X or newer running iOS or iPadOS 15.0-16.5.1, the rootless dopamine jailbreak is the recommended option. It is by far the most popular jailbreak for the devices and firmware alternatives available. Xinam1ne is a fork of the dopamine jailbreak that allows root access to add-ons. If your rootful jailbreak customizations are not updated for rootless, consider using Xinam1ne, a semi-untethered jailbreak fork of dopamine that can also be perma-signed with TrollStore. Xinam1ne is a rootless ARM64E-based jailbreak for iOS and iPadOS 15.0-16.5.1. It provides 16 Cydia-15-like symlinks for previous rootful jailbreak customizations produced while jailbreaking. This essentially overcomes DRM issues with specific changes, allowing them to load without error. This may also assist users of rootful jailbreak tweaks, which may not work in the rootless environment in some situations, providing the firmware you're attempting to run them on is compatible. Furthermore, Xinam1ne includes a distinct color scheme chosen by iOS developer Cydia, who created Xinam1ne, as well as a toggle for end users to switch between standard dopamine and Xinam1ne via symlinks. The toggle allows you to easily switch between the two jailbreak experiences to debug any non-working changes built for the rootful environment. Xinam1ne is essentially a beefed-up version of the dopamine jailbreak, built on the original dopamine jailbreak but with additional features for rootful jailbreak tweak and package manager app users. If you need to jailbreak your device, utilize Xinam1ne at your own risk. However, we recommend using the first-party dopamine jailbreak tool from Lars Froder at OPA334 Dev, unless you have prior experience. To learn more about the Xinam1ne project, see its GitHub page or official website. Do you have a reason to choose Xinam1ne over dopamine? Let us know why or why not in the comments section below.